Welcome to SureSolv. This is Untitled Chapter. Today we'll learn how to solve mentally the first 5 questions in the solution set 11 on Algebra 5 from SureSolv.com. You will find the solutions of the rest of the questions in the set in the part 2 of the video. A few of the 5 questions are difficult. Nevertheless, we'll solve this mentally using special methods. Let's see. The first question. This is a simple question. Question 1 is, if a, b and c are non-zero and a plus 1 by b equal to 1 and b plus 1 by c equal to 1, the value of ABC is option A 3, option B minus 1, option C 1 and option D minus 3. Our first job is to straighten out the given expressions. That is, eliminate the inverses. From the first equation we get AB plus 1 equal to B, and from the second BC plus 1 equal to C. Multiply the first by C to get ABC plus C equal to BC. Substitute the value of BC in the second equation. You get ABC plus C plus 1 equal to C. C is cancelled out. We get ABC equal to minus 1. Answer is option B, minus 1. An easy problem, a little tricky but still easy. Next question. Question 2 is, if a plus 1 by a minus 2 equal to 4, then a minus 2 whole square plus 1 by a minus 2 whole square is option A 4, option B 0, option C minus 2 and option D 2. This is a sum of inverse of squares, but the terms involved are compound variables comprising of two components a and 2. To evaluate the sum of inverse of squares, we must get the value of a minus 2 plus 1 by a minus 2. And that is easy to get from the given expression. Taking 2 from the right hand side to the left hand side, we get a minus 2 plus 1 by a minus 2 equal to 2. We have taken 2 from 4. Now for comfort, we substitute dummy variable p for a minus 2. P equal to a minus 2. So this becomes p plus 1 by p equal to 2. So p square plus 1 by p square will be equal to p plus 1 by p whole square minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Option D is the answer. Easy. The third question. This is considered to be a difficult problem. How to simplify this large expression? The only way to use the given value of a plus b plus c is to expand the squares in the numerator and collect the middle terms to get a factor of a plus b plus c. So we do it. We expand the 3 squares in the numerator, getting 3a squared, we are writing in short form, minus 2s multiplied by a plus b plus c from the 3 squares plus a square plus b square plus c square plus a square divided by a square plus b square plus c square. 3a square plus 1a square becomes 4a square. We substitute 2s for a plus b plus c, getting minus 4a square, which cancels out 4a square, leaving just a square plus b square plus c square in the numerator. And it cancels out the denominator. Result is simple 1. That's why we said we'll solve this problem in mind. Answer is option C, 1. Let's solve the fourth problem. The question 4 is, if xy multiplied by x plus y equal to 1, then 1 by x cube y cube minus x cube minus y cube is option A 1, option B minus 1, option C 3 and option D minus 3. How to combine 1 by x cube y cube with minus x cube minus y cube? We look to the given expression and immediately find the way out. 1 by xy equal to x plus y. We'll substitute this in the target expression to get x plus y whole cube minus x cube minus y cube. Using the compact form of expansion of x plus y whole cube, we have x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y minus x cube minus y cube equal to 3xy x plus y equal to just 3. Because xy multiplied by x plus y equal to 1. Answer is option C, 3. Finally, it's also an easy problem. Next problem. Question 5 is, if a plus b plus c equal to 6, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 14, and a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 36, then the value of ABC is option A 3, option B 6, option C 9, and option D 12. This is a repeat problem. We have solved this in the earlier solution set. We'll repeat the solution for those of you who have not seen the video. At first it seems that there will be a lot of calculations involved, but we'll show you how quickly the problem can be solved. The first question to ask is, where from would you get the term ABC itself? The value will come later on, but which of the given expressions will have ABC hidden in it? It can only be in the expansion of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. And indeed it is so. The expansion of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to a plus b plus c multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca plus 3abc. This is where ABC comes in. This expression has 4 components apart from ABC. This is the first one. A plus B plus C is the second. A square plus B square plus C square is the third. And AB plus BC plus CA is the fourth. Disregard the minus sign because it is same for all the terms. We don't know the value of only AB plus BC plus CA. So we'll have to find this value first. We'll follow a general strategy of problem solving. We won't substitute all the values that we know in the given expression and remember the expression in unfinished state in our head. That will load. We'll just know by examining the expression that we have to find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. And that is a simple task. The expansion of A plus B plus C whole square is a well-known formula. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA. Putting the values, 36 equal to 14 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. From this we get the value of AB plus BC plus CA equal to 11. Subtract 14 from 36, it will be 22. Divide by 2, you will get 11. Now is the time to substitute all the known values in the long expression. This is 36 equal to 6 multiplied by 14 minus 11 plus 3ABC equal to 18 plus 3ABC. It is so easy. From this, ABC equal to just 6. So answer is option B, 6. The calculations and the manipulations are not difficult, but you have to follow this strategy. You won't substitute all the known values in the beginning itself. Only when you know the values of all the components of the long expression, you will substitute the values and get the answer quickly. To read the detailed solutions, refer to the article in SureSolv.com. We have given the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.